How to use if-else condition and wait steps inside Shopify.io workflows. Inside this workflow, click this button, then add condition, which is ang if-else. Then after, set your condition, example, VIP, then pili na ko ang tags, includes, then gitype na ko ang VIP, then save action. After that, money ang if, then else, then use wait steps to delay actions by minutes, hours, or days. So, nagbutang ko wait action for 1 hour, then save action, same here. This allows your workflows to behave differently based on contact behavior or data.